Let's let me just make sure that the audio works. Alright, testing the audio, making sure it all works, and then we'll get started. It's almost like frozen. It's first viewer. How you doing? It's is this working? My screen is frozen for me. I don't know if you guys can even hear me. Alright. Oh, what's up, Graham? You changed your profile. Alright, let's get started. Graham, are you still in school? School. Thank you for that. Subscribe. Was it? Today's Friday. Oh wait, no, we had news at 8:30 and 10. We have news at 2 p.m. today. So I'm looking out for those. Oh, you're in spring break. That's cool. That's strange. My sister, she was in spring break last week. Yeah, different district. That's cool. What are you doing for spring break? Doing anything fun for spring break, Graham? Don't know. Well, how long does spring break last for you guys? A week or 2 weeks? Only. Oh, that's your spring break is over, bro. You have like counting today and Saturday and Sunday, you have like 2 days basically. What did you do? Did you do anything at all? Damn. Have you found a wrestling coach? Goes dirt biking during spring break. I went Easton for Coach Easton. Oh, so you did get a new coach. Lit. That's good. Now you could like wrestle again and win a championship. I don't even know how wrestling works, but hopefully you win something. I see. That's dope. Um, I'm glad to hear that. Did you play any other sport besides wrestling? You look like you could play baseball. I'm not gonna lie. Do I love Sean? Yeah, I love Sean. Sean is dope. It's my homie. Football. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what I thought. Yeah, football. Yeah, I could see you being like a running back. not really a wide receiver, but I see you being a running back or a like low key a linebacker too. Am I close to what position you play? Perfect, yeah. You kicked out some high. You're kind of you're not big. High. You are like big in width, so I was like, okay, wide receiver kind of got to be lengthy and tall to catch that ball. A quarterback, you kind of have good like coordination skills, and no offense, you just don't look like you could really coordinate, but you do look like you could run fast. You look like you could be mean, and you look like you could really like run through somebody. So it just made sense. Running back and linebacker. I agree. Yeah. I got a call from Target. They might actually they might I might get a job there and raise money to like fund myself. I put money in like a real account. This is just a demo account, but I put money in a real account. I'm gonna be trading that and hopefully make millions in a minute. No, I don't work there at the moment. Um, I requested work at food and beverages, so I think like next week I'll go there to get like onboarding. So onboarding means like they'll just show me what I'll do on the job, and then I'll probably just work there. I'm giving myself like 2 months, like to raise up capital, and then I'm like back on the grind, social media grind. Hopefully, that's the plan. That's the plan. But trading takes a lot of time. Uh, miss you. Oh, I miss you guys too. I won't lie. I miss you guys too. But I don't know. Working at Target is not that fun. Actually, I'm gonna be honest. Working at Target is like such a loser job. I know somebody who's worked there for probably 25 years, and that scares the hell out of me because I'm wondering, man, if I don't change my life or my lifestyle at the moment, I could end up working at some retail job until I'm 40, and I don't want to do that. So I'd rather take some risk, take big risk than to live an unfulfilled life. Yeah. Do you know anything about trading? Like, market goes down, you know, people are doing this, they're getting in like this, and they're selling the market. It's called shorting. And when the market goes lower, those who went short are making money. And then there's buying. So if you buy, the market goes higher, those who bought are making money. To be honest, no, not at all. Yeah, yeah. Did I ever ask you what you want to be when you grow up? I don't think I asked you that, did I? What are you trying to be? Doctor. You're about to say doctor. You want to be a nurse? If you say professional running back, I'm not gonna believe you. You want to be in the military? Grant, you're too smart for that. The military is like a last minute resort. You should become something more. More. You should become something more. I don't know. Maybe become like a drug dealer or become like something that could help society. No, I don't think that. Oh, okay, cool, cool, cool. Yeah, I have a couple friends who've enlisted. I'm going long, and I'm looking for 6,864. I'm gonna add one more, add one more. Cool. Right. I'm listening. Captain, that's cool. So do you want to be like a pilot? Do you want to fly or do you want to? All right, I'll see you, Graham. Have a good one. Take care. God bless you. All right. All right, Graham. So I've noticed that market is very manipulated, um, just by its large moves. Like here in the chart. Let's go to the 3 day. Here is December going into February. We just consolidated, right? Smart money getting in. And then we finally let the market go lower. And now this huge retracement. It's just the retracement itself is so deep. I still think we could see markets going lower, but it's just this huge deep retracement just feels engineered. I would, if this was in a buy they're manipulating these markets right now. On the side. Offside, so now I have to look at, let's go, fair value gap right there. I'm still confident because I want to see relative equal lows. I want to see relative equal highs, I mean. And we do have relative equal lows. It's 12:09, so we're about to end the 11:50, 12:10 macro. Don't stop out. Alright. What's up, Hal? How you doing, Hal? Oh yeah, you know it. I'm here grinding. What are you doing today, Hal? I won't lie, these relative equal lows kind of got me. I wanted to see them get taken out. Hold on. Over. Don't long because on the 90-minute, I see that there's an order block, and here in the 5-minute, there's an order block. So I'm viewing that as a draw on price. I'm actually going to delineate it from the 90-minute one. The 90-minute order block. There we go. something looks on the side to go long. So we are in a sell program. So I would want to see small retracements lower for the sake of engineering buy stops to then go back higher. Just like that. Just like that. And then this would be them engineering more buy stops, people going short for the sake of the market just going higher. Where's my watch? Liquidity above here, and liquidity below here. All stops above here. Here. There's sell stops below here. Now that's a concern for me. That high, that low. That is a candlewick gap. And then now we have liquidity right below here. I want to see if we could break out this. If not, I would want price to go back lower. To engineer more sell stops. To engineer more buy stops. And possibly tag that out. I want to see this get taken out. And I want to see that get taken out. We're tagging the premium array. Should take that out. Awesome. Now, I want to see if it wants to take the other low. If it takes the other low, open to a 15-minute. Open to a 15-minute. Underline here. Okay. Now I want to see if we can start going higher. This would be an area to add. Okay. That is equal. These are equal lows. So my bullish bias is still on. I still believe we're going higher. We tag this fair value gap. Five-minute just opened, and a 10-minute just opened. It is 12:20. We are in a macro. Just gotta wait. This is an inverse fair value gap. Tags it perfectly. Fun stuff, huh? Just looking at candlesticks all day. Just looking at digital screen going up and down, up and down, up and down. I like how we used the inverse fair value gap, and inside the inverse fair value gap we had this low. So we both have liquidity and inefficiency. Now, I see that high get taken out. It's still 1220, 1240 macro. Four minutes, we open a 30-minute candlestick. I like the fact that we have equal lows here. I would prefer that they don't get taken out. And if they do, I get more information. I don't want them getting taken out. But more information. This right here. Read that, and we have a 30-minute candlestick. Okay, there's enough liquidity on both sides. There's both buyers and stuff right here. They just think, okay, this is just a retracement. Did we take out? That's impressive. Right now we could start going back higher and take out all the short sellers buy stops. So we're in a sell program higher. So this is the sell program. The sell program is smart money taking the market higher for them to sell to the buy stops above the market. So above here, that's a buy stop. Just gotta wait and be patient. All right, a 30-minute candlestick has opened up. I still think we're in a dominant sell program. I mean, we're in a dominant sell program, recessive buy program. That was wrong. All right, took what, 4 losses in a row? That's fine. Try and keep on watching price and see how much more I can learn. Does this even want to go higher at all? So I'm trying to figure out, did I just have the wrong TD array, or was I completely wrong about the directional bias? So my directional bias is it wants to go higher. Maybe I just got in too early. think it was the relative equal highs that got me. Thought we would go back up there and take them out. Alright, that's it for this stream. Um, I'm gonna be back every day, no matter how many losses I take. I'm not quitting. I'm gonna come back and I will be the best day trader to ever live.